If you have some nice detail work on your house, then you might want to make an extra video that really shows off those extra details. So to do that, I've removed the keyframe of the house spinning around. This is a different kind of video. So I'm actually going to keyframe the camera. So the camera's position is going to need to be keyframed, and we might also want to keyframe the rotation in case we want to get a slightly different angle on whatever it is we're showing. So I've got that first keyframe set there for all of these. And then let's say we're going to take the first second. This would be a rather quick zoom in, but I've only got 120 frames here to work with. You can always just add more time, of course. So let's see if we need to do that. So now I want to get closer. So the trick here is to just zoom in with your mouse wheel, and this is our new position. So I want to bring the camera here, and it can be easier to use a shortcut instead of moving all of these numbers and trying to get close. Control-Alt-0 on the number pad will bring the camera to this new location. Oh, it's supposed to. Oh, we need to be outside. So can't be looking through the camera if I want to set a new camera location. So I'm doing this again. Control, Alt, and 0 on the number pad. And now this is my camera position. So let's just see what that looks like. I'm going to need to, and again, I just did the position. This is still green, but I still like to insert keyframes for both. So let's see what that 1 second does for me. So it's going to zoom in a little bit fast. So I think I will move this keyframe for location and rotation. Oops. I'm going to click away so they're not gold, and I'm just going to give myself a 2-second zoom in. So I'm going to press play. It's going to still be pretty fast, but it's going to get close. And then over the next second, I'm going to get closer again. Again, I'm just orbiting out of that camera view, or press 0 to get out of it. And then I'm going to get kind of close, and let's just get a little bit of an angle. So you really need to be able to pan and zoom in order to do this. Now, this doorknob is just a plain gray, but I will show you how to use cycles rendering to make that into something that's transparent. So I'm going to press Control-Alt-0 again, and then you can make like a slight adjustment. Let me just change my rotation and my position a little bit so I've got a little bit different angle. So this is the other way to change that camera position. I'll insert keyframes again. I'm not going to try and figure out, well, which one of these actually changed. I'm just doing the whole set. And so let's take a look at that again. So I know I got my zoom close, and then it goes like really kind of strange, but again, that you would want that to be a little bit slower. Just spread those keyframes out. So now let's take a look here. So I'm going in and then getting that little bit of a different angle. So you would want like a 30-second video, which would be 900 frames, to really like go smoothly in and spend a little bit of time looking at that one part and then going up to maybe show the other things one at a time.